All right, guys, so down here at the flea market, and where I wanted to be was out here at these tables out here. But they didn't have any available. They had one table available for me. And as you guys know, I have a lot of stuff. I brought it pretty much of, will be an equivalent of like 2 truckloads, maybe 3 truckloads of stuff in my box truck. So it's basically my box truck was almost full. And we're still unloading all these diapers. These big packs of diapers I sell for 10 bucks a piece. They sell quick. Boxes of wipes are 5 bucks. So anyhow, they had this spot for 200 a week. I would have paid 60 bucks for 3 tables a day. So if I was here Saturday and Sunday, 3 tables would have been 120. This locks up. I can close it up, put a lock on it, and all my stuff is safe. So we're gonna give it a go. I'm gonna give it at least 2 weekends and see how I do. I'm also gonna use like Facebook Marketplace and try to drive people here, like post a lot of stuff on say Friday, so it goes live, and then when they ask about picking it up, I can have them come directly to this spot so they're not coming to my house. So here's a quick look. So I'm right next to the donut shop, and then right now it is 8 a.m. and this is my spot. It's a corner booth. This is, for this place, this would be considered prime real estate. It's about 50 bucks more than the other site, the other spots, just because it is on the outside perimeter of where all the tables are. So anyhow, I'm gonna do some more filming today as we're getting set up. We're gonna try to sell some stuff too, but now that I committed to this spot, I also have to kind of build it out as a store. So that's gonna be a little extra work for me. I gotta run to Walmart and get some more tables, because since I was planning on renting tables and they didn't have any tables available, now I have to go buy tables to set up in here. So anyhow, always money. You gotta spend money to make money, right? All right, so here we are. We are in the back dock now. They let us use this. Loading up hand trucks and shopping carts full of flea market stuff. Setting up in a booth. So I'll show you guys that in a little bit. But this is pretty sweet to have a loading dock for when you have a truck that's dock height. We can just back right up. Unfortunately, they got the dumpster pushed over so far. I can't line up, but it's good enough. If I wanted to put bring a whole pallet in here, that'd be an issue. But for now, this is working pretty good. All right, so we're getting some stuff set up. Like I said, I didn't know I was getting this booth today, so I didn't bring tables. I did rent 2 tables for 5 bucks a piece. We kind of just have stuff along the perimeter. So like some clothing over here. Just some bigger items here like mops and suitcases. We had a little bit of a rush from about 8 to 9. It's about 9:30 now. It's slowed down a little bit. But all these diapers, nice like fleece style coats and jackets and shoes. Those I'm selling for 5 bucks a piece. And then this is just like a mix of all kinds of stuff that we got out, different stuff, different prices. And then all over here is all clothing, and that would have been more than enough stuff for 3 tables. So I'm happy with the booth, but we'll see. I'll fill you guys in and let you know how it goes. What's going on, guys? So it is now 10:45 and we had a lady that just came through. She's actually from mainland China and lives here in the States. She was buying boxes of stuff to send back to her family. They have 2 little resale shops over there. So I mean, if you take a look around, I gave her like a, not this size box, but a medium sized box of clothing, for an entire box for 30 bucks. An entire box of like mixed loose underwear that was sitting right here, that's gone. That was, I gave that to her for 25. She spent 110 bucks, but look how many diapers we sold. I sold one of the big suitcases, I sold a small suitcase. So I actually haven't surprisingly sold too many of like the winter jackets. I sold a few of those, but then like the mixed stuff over here hasn't really been doing too well. But then again, we're new down here this weekend, and you know, a lot of this stuff doesn't have prices on it. But all right, so it's currently 1 o'clock and Garrett sold a lot of stuff today. So what up, Garrett? This whole center aisle was full of stuff, almost gone. The giant wall of diapers is down to just probably maybe 10 packs left. We sold some sweatshirts. I sold a Christmas tree. And then we sold some luggage. I'm just down to these last 2 pieces here. I sold, I think, 4 airbeds. Oh, that one's sold. Do we have any airbeds left? We have 1 airbed left. So I sold 5 airbeds. And one lady bought an entire box of clothing. I think I already mentioned that. She's the one that was sending stuff overseas. And then this is just some miscellaneous stuff. We kind of just have everything piled up right now because I wasn't expecting to be in this booth. But right now we're going to close up early, probably within the next half an hour. Go to storage, get all the tables and everything we need to set this booth up to hopefully stay here for the winter, definitely through Christmas, and we'll see how it goes. But as of right now, being down here for about 6 hours, we did about $700, so not bad. If I can do 1,000, 1,500 a weekend, it's worth it to have the spot. So I will keep this video going, and tomorrow I'll have some more footage from our first weekend at the flea market.